Everyone is talking about smart wallets and which one holds the best future. But does adding a tracker chip to the old traditional wallet really make it smart? Anyone who has access to my wallet can throw the tracker chip out. What about solving the basic problem, ensuring that only you and your loved ones can access your wallet? Introducing Cashew Smart Wallet, the world's first smart wallet with a fingerprint sensor, ensuring only you and your loved ones can access your wallet, and with Bluetooth connectivity to ensure that you never misplace or lose your wallet again. Have you ever wondered if you are missing any cash or cards from your wallet? Cashew has a fingerprint sensor to ensure safety of your contents. Every time you leave your wallet behind, Cashew sends a notification to your phone. Never misplace or lose your wallet again. Maybe you've misplaced your wallet in the car seat or in the couch, but whenever you have difficulty finding it, you can simply go to the Buzz My Cashew feature on the app. Cashew takes your security seriously and is RFID protected. Always keep away the unwanted. We are moving to mass manufacturing and we want to get our overall production cost down with as many pre-orders as possible. Having peace of mind is a choice that you make today. Let us together build a generation of wallets the smart way.